Nestled on the edge of the Black Sea, Batumi whispers promises of adventure. A city where ancient history collides with modern marvels, Batumi is a sensory feast. Towering mountains provide a dramatic backdrop to the sparkling coastline. A vibrant energy pulses through the streets, inviting you to explore its hidden treasures. Batumi is a melting pot of cultures. It's a place where East meets West, where old traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. Get ready to lose yourself in the intoxicating rhythm of Georgia's hidden gem. Batumi sits on the edge of the Black Sea, nestled in the southwest corner of Georgia. The Caucasus Mountains rise dramatically behind the city, creating a breathtaking backdrop. This unique location blesses Batumi with a humid, subtropical climate. Warm summers invite you to bask on the beaches. Winters are mild, perfect for exploring the city's historical sites. The scent of pine trees from the nearby mountains mixes with the salty air. Palm trees line the streets, swaying gently in the breeze. This is Batumi, a place where nature's beauty knows no bounds. Batumi's beaches beckon with promises of relaxation and fun. The coastline stretches for kilometers, offering a mix of sandy and pebbled shores. The Black Sea sparkles under the Georgian sun, inviting you to take a dip in its refreshing waters. Stroll along Batumi Boulevard, a vibrant promenade that hugs the coastline. The air is filled with the sounds of laughter, music, and crashing waves. Street vendors offer delicious snacks and refreshing drinks. Rent a bike and feel the wind in your hair as you cruise along the promenade. This is the heart of Batumi, where life unfolds at a leisurely pace. Batumi is a city of striking contrasts. Ancient fortresses stand as silent witnesses to a rich history. Modern skyscrapers pierce the sky, symbols of the city's ambition. The Alphabet Tower, a towering structure shaped like DNA, is a testament to Georgian script. The futuristic design of the Batumi Technological University building will leave you in awe. Walk across the pedestrian river bridge, illuminated by thousands of twinkling lights at night. Batumi's architecture is a captivating blend of old and new, a testament to the city's ever-evolving spirit. Section 5. A feast for the senses. Exploring Batumi's culinary delights. Georgian cuisine is a celebration of bold flavors and fresh ingredients. Batumi takes this culinary heritage to new heights. Start your day with a khachapuri, a savory cheese-filled bread that will leave you craving for more. For lunch, indulge in khinkali, juicy dumplings filled with spiced meat and broth. Be sure to try the local ajika, a spicy walnut sauce that adds a fiery kick to any dish. Explore the bustling stalls of the Batumi market. Here you'll find an abundance of fresh produce, spices and local delicacies. Engage with the friendly vendors and embrace the art of haggling. Section 6. Unveiling history and nature. Batumi's must-see attractions. Step back in time at the Batumi Archaeological Museum, home to a fascinating collection of artifacts from the region's ancient past. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of the Batumi Botanical Garden. This sprawling oasis showcases a diverse collection of plants from around the world. Take a cable car ride to the top of Mount Anuary for panoramic views of the city, the Black Sea and the surrounding mountains. Visit the Batumi Dolphinarium and be amazed by the intelligence and agility of these playful creatures. Batumi offers a plethora of attractions to satisfy every curiosity. Section 7. Beyond the city limits, adventures in nature's playground. Venture beyond the city limits and discover the natural wonders that surround Batumi. Hike through the lush forests of the Mitirala National Park, where cascading waterfalls create a symphony of sound. Challenge yourself with a mountain biking adventure, navigating rugged trails and enjoying breathtaking vistas. Explore the hidden coves and pristine beaches along the coast. Try your hand at water sports like kayaking, windsurfing or paddleboarding. Batumi is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. Section 8. When the sun sets, the city awakens, Batumi's nightlife. As the sun dips below the horizon, Batumi transforms into a vibrant nightlife destination. The city comes alive with music, laughter, and the clinking of glasses. Explore the bars and clubs that line the streets, offering a diverse range of musical genres and atmospheres. Try your luck at one of the casinos that dot the city. Enjoy a leisurely dinner at one of Batumi's many restaurants, savoring delicious Georgian cuisine while taking in the electric atmosphere. Batumi's nightlife is not to be missed, offering a taste of the city's vibrant energy. Section 9. The perfect time to uncover Batumi's magic. The best time to experience Batumi's magic is between May and September. During these months, the weather is warm and sunny, perfect for enjoying the beaches and outdoor activities. The city comes alive with festivals and cultural events, showcasing the best of Georgian music, dance, and cuisine. Attend the Batumi International Art House Film Festival, a celebration of independent cinema from around the world. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the Batumi Summer Festival, featuring concerts, dance performances, and theatrical productions. Summer in Batumi is a time for celebration and unforgettable experiences. Section 10. Unearthing the soul of Batumi, hidden gems and local secrets. To truly uncover the soul of Batumi, venture beyond the tourist hotspots and explore its hidden gems. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets of Old Batumi, a charming neighborhood with cobblestone streets and colorful buildings. Discover hidden courtyards adorned with intricate carvings and lush greenery. Sip on traditional Turkish coffee at a cozy cafe, listening to locals share stories and laughter. Stumble upon hidden squares, where time seems to stand still. These are the places where you'll find the true heart of Batumi, where the city's rich history and vibrant culture come alive. Section 11. The Call of Batumi, an invitation to adventure. Batumi beckons with promises of adventure, culture, and unforgettable experiences. From its stunning coastline and vibrant city center to its rich history and delectable cuisine, Batumi has something to offer every traveler. Answer the call of this hidden gem on the Black Sea. Let Batumi enchant you with its beauty, its warmth, and its endless possibilities for exploration.